Jai Hind everyone. I'm Under Officer Darshana Rajput from 2 Raj Ahmed's Cotton, NCC, Jodhpur. So today I'll talk about the life skills, the values that we get from the NCC. So as we all know that NCC plays a vital role in our life. It grooms our personality. But how? Kaise? It's not all about PT, drill, competitions, weapon training classes, punishments. But it's much more beyond it. As we get the life skills, values that transforms our personality. So चलिए देखते हैं कि कैसे ये हमारी लाइफ को डायरेक्टली बेनिफिट करता है. So being in the camps, waking up early in the morning, 4 a.m. It teaches us discipline, the time management skills, the way we sleep on the ground. It gives us the adjustment, the adaptability quality in the surroundings. So living beyond the comfort zone of our homes, wearing the uniform, the way we trim our hackle, the way we wear the berets, polish our belts, DMS and our uniforms, it teaches the smart dressings, the presentation skills, as we think we are already an army officer and we can contribute towards our nation and serve it in the terms of emergencies, right? If I talk about the drill gives us the strength, courage, the determination. As हमारे फ्यूचर में भी कभी भी कोई भी डाइवर्स सिचुएशन आ जाए तो उसमें फिजिकली फिट रहना पसंद करेंगे. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द संतरी ड्यूटी विच वी गेट इन आवर कैंप्स, तो वो हमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देता है टुवर्ड्स आवर यूनिट. इट गिव्स अस द सिक्योर्ड प्लेस कि कैसे हम अपनी यूनिट को सेव करेंगे. द पनिशमेंट्स दैट वी गेट, सो इट गिव्स अस द ओवरकमिंग चैलेंजिंग एटीट्यूड. सो हमारी लाइफ में कभी भी कोई भी चैलेंजेस आए हम इजीली उसको फेस कर सकें. द गार्ड कमांडिंग गिव्स अस द लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, द वे वी स्पीक आउट, द वे वी पुट आवर स्टेप्स टुगेदर. इट गिव्स अस द टीम वर्क क्वालिटी. द राइफल शूटिंग, it increases our focus, concentration power that indirectly helps in our studies. As being in the national camps of one of the prestigious camps is RDC, being as a best cadet, like we had various interactive sessions, group discussion, extempores with the army generals, personals. So it increases our communication skills, confidence. So the culturals, as presenting ourselves in front of the enormous audience, increases our confidence. The sports, it gives the competitive spirit, the way we can present ourselves in the competitions. The flag area, briefings and NIAP as a part of the competition. So it teaches us the history of past, present, future and various service subjects or the common subjects. So overall, NCC, it's not about a distractive or a disturbance, but it gives us the confidence. As all these life skills that we get from it, we can apply it in our daily life, daily routine, every walk of our life. It creates the leaders, the warriors, and most importantly the youth, which is the future of our nation. क्योंकि जब यूथ आगे बढ़ेगा तभी हमारा नेशन डेवलप होगा, तभी हमारे न्यू इंडिया, न्यू भारत का विकास होगा. सो आई होप आपको इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा बियॉन्ड एनसीसी, हमारे लाइफ से रिलेटेड जितनी भी क्वालिटीज होती है, जितनी भी हम स्किल्स सीख सकते हैं. So for much more videos, stay tuned to it. Thank you and Jai Hind.